Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to make a assembly of turnbuckle in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial, we are going to make it in two different parts and then assemble it. So the first part will be the body and the second part will be the hook. Okay, we'll start with the first part, the body. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane. From here, select the 2-point center rectangle. From the center point, make a rectangle profile. Now go to dimension. Define only this width of 8 mm and escape. Now go to arc command. Select this point and make one arc. Similarly, make one arc profile here. Now go to dimension. Define this radius first of 6 and this also 6. Now select this outer edge and select this outer edge and give a distance of 20 mm. Okay. Now go to 3D model, take extrude, select complete profile. Okay, all profile we will select. Here we will take symmetric extrude and take a distance of 120 mm. Okay, so this will be the profile and press OK. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command. From the center point, make a circle here of diameter 12.5 mm. Now finish sketch, take the extrude command. Here we will take asymmetric extrude. So the first distance will be of 6 mm. This will be the front distance and the second distance will be 8 mm. This side back distance and press OK. Similarly, we will make same profile this side also. So we will use mirror command. Select this extrude 2. From here also you can select or from here also you can select. Go to mirror plane, origin and select the XY plane. So here you can see same profile is been constructed and press OK. Okay. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. From here we will take rectangle command and take 2-point center rectangle. From this center point, make a rectangle profile up to this. Okay. Go to dimension, define this width as 12 and escape. Now here you can see it is dragged downward. Go to coincident constraint, select this edge and select this line. Okay, now this is fully defined. Now finish sketch, go to extrude command and here take cut, drag it through and press OK. So this will be a through cut. Okay, now we will define the fillet. So go to fillet command, take a fillet radius of 2 mm, go to edge selection, select this outer edge, select this outer edge, select this. Okay, rotate, select this, rotate, select this and rotate and select this fourth point and apply. I'll tell you why I am selecting different edges and not selecting at once. This is done to make provide a uniform fillet in the profile. Okay, now select this edge, select this edge, rotate the profile, select this edge and select this edge and apply. Okay, now when you select this top edge, you can see the complete edge will be selected at once. Similarly, select this, rotate the profile and here select this bottom profile and this profile. Okay, now apply. Go to home. Now we will select the inner edges, select this inner edge, rotate rotate, select this inner edge, rotate, select this and select this last, apply. Now change the fillet radius to 1 mm. Okay, so we'll provide a 1 mm fillet. Select this edge, this, and here this, and apply. Okay, rotate. Similarly at bottom, this inner edge, this, and this. Apply and exit. Okay, now go to home. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Take this circle command from this center point. Make a circle of diameter 6. Go to 3D model, take extrude, and here flip the direction so it will take cut, and here we will select all. So it will be a through cut and press OK. Now here I want to give the cosmetic thread. So from here select thread, select this inner face and apply, and select this inner face and apply. Exit. Now if I want to see what thread is been applied, double click any of the thread, double click this. Here go to specifications. Here you can see this is a metric M profile thread of 6 dimension and M6 into 1. So 1 mm will be the pitch. Okay, and OK. Now we'll define the appearance. From here we'll give it a blue color. So take blue wall paint glossy and save it. Okay, I have already made. So make a new folder of assembly. Okay, enter and save it as body. Okay, type body and save. Now we'll make the next part, the hook. So first close this. Now go to new part, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane. Here take this line command from the center point, make a straight line, escape, go to dimension, define this height as 70 mm. Okay, go to line, make one random line here and escape. Select this, make it a construction geometry. Now go to arc command, select this point and select this point. Okay, make one arc, go to dimension, define this radius as 10 and escape. Okay, drag it. Now go to arc once again. We are taking here 3-point arc. Select this point and here select this point and make it and escape. Now just drag the center point till this line and go to tangent constraint. Select this and this. Now they are tangent to each other and escape. Okay, now go to dimension. Define this radius as 14 mm and escape. Go to tangent, select this line, select this arc. Now you can see it is constrained. Now go to line command, make a vertical line here, escape, go to dimension, define this dimension as 15. Okay, and escape. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Escape. Now finish sketch, and here now go to 2D sketch and select this XZ plane. Go to circle command. From the center point, make a circle of diameter 6 mm. Go to finish sketch. Now here take sweep command, and this will be the profile to sweep and this will be the path, and press OK. Okay, so this will be the hook profile. Now here as you can see this is a flat face. So here go to chamfer command. Here we will take a 2 distance chamfer So the first distance will be 2 mm and the second distance will be 8 mm. Okay. Now for edge selection, select this edge and press OK. Now here I'll rotate it for making it more clear. Now you can see a small flat face has been left. Select this edge, take the fillet command. Here I'll take a fillet of radius 1 mm and press OK. Okay, now it is perfect. Now we have to make here a thread profile. So go to plane, take offset from plane. You can select this face and take offset of 2 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here select this new plane, go to create sketch, go to project geometry and project this circle. Now finish. Now from here go to 3D sketch, take the helical curve and select the center point. Okay, go to front view and here select this green line and here we will define the helical curve. From here we will select pitch and height. The diameter will be 6 mm. The height here will be 64.5 mm and the pitch here will be of 1.25 mm. Okay, click here and press OK. Okay, so this will be the helical curve. Now finish sketch. Now here I want to give a chamfer. So go to chamfer, go to equal distance chamfer and here I'll define a chamfer of 1 mm and give here a chamfer and OK. Okay, now I'll continue with this cut thread. Now go to plane, select this bottom, starting point, rotate the view. Okay, rotate it again and here I'll see the starting point will be this point and select this coil. So a new plane will be generated. Select this plane 1, right click, turn off the visibility. Select sketch 3, turn off the visibility. So it will be more clear. Okay. Now select this new plane, go to create sketch and here from here I'll go to polygon command. I'll take number of sides as 3. From this center point make one triangle, escape, go to dimension, define this distance as 1 mm, escape, go to project geometry, project this point, escape, go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, go to coincident, select this point and select the center point. Now this is fully constrained. Now finish sketch and here I'll go to sweep command. So this will be a profile to sweep and select this path. Okay, so it will generate the sweep profile. Here I'll take cut. Okay, so it will cut the thread and press OK. So here the thread profile will be cut. Okay, now select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Here I will give the appearance. So from here I'll take chrome polished black. Okay, go up. Okay, here it is chrome polished black. Okay, now save it. Save it as hook. Okay, save. Now we will make the assembly. So close this, go to new, take a standard assembly in millimeter and go to create. Now go to place and here go to assembly folder. Select the body first, open and place it over here. Now escape. Now rotate the view. So this will be the view in which we will work. Origin of this is the origin of assembly and origin of body. Okay, go to constraint, select YZ plane and YZ plane. apply XZ plane and XZ plane, apply XY plane and XY plane. Here we'll switch to flush and apply. Exit. Now here you can see the movement is constrained. Now go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges, and here change the view to gray room. Okay, so this is the light. Now go to assemble, go to place to call the hook, click on hook, open, and here place it over here. Escape. Now go to constraint, select this circle, center axis, and select the center axis. Here I'll click on aligned and apply. Now select this face, the front face, and this inner face. Here click on flush, and here give distance of -40, so it will be inserted inside, and apply. This constraint is only given to just constrain the movement, or otherwise you can just leave it for the movement. Okay, go to mirror command, select this hook, go to mirror plane, select the XY plane, and click on next and press OK. Okay, so this will be the final profile. So this is the final assembly of turnbuckle in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.